This is a quick video showing how to create stairs in Blender. This is the default scene in Blender. First, I delete the default lighting and camera. I'll use a default script to generate the stairs. Snap the object and switch to edit mode. Change to edge selection mode and snap one edge. Go to edge, bevel edges, or press Ctrl B to bevel. Move your cursor to adjust the bevel. Open the bevel panel and set the width to 1.75. Scroll down to segments and set it to 16. Under profile type, select custom and choose the steps preset. Now we have the basic shape of the stairs. Select the bottom faces and delete them. Switch back to object mode. Open the modifier properties tab and add a solidify modifier. Set thickness to 0.1. Set offset to 1. Check the even thickness box. Now we have a straight staircase. Add another modifier by selecting deform, then simple deform. In the simple deform settings, choose bend and set it to the z-axis. Adjust the angle to 180 degree. If the stairs collapse, go into edit mode, press A to select all faces and adjust the shape by moving and scaling. Go back to object mode. That's how you create stairs in Blender. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye bye.